Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, in this episode, we're going to take a look at a drone that looks identical to the RYZE Tello. It's right here. This is the SHRC H2 LOCKE or LOCKE. It's got an E at the end. And it is basically the construction and the design. When I show you the unboxing and put it up against the Tello, it's pretty much pretty close. The only thing this seems to be lacking is basically the little sensors that the Tello has here. It has one sensor up here for optical flow, and it actually works quite well. But the Tello has these really large ones, and the Tello has DJI technology in it for the stability and flight modes. This one I do not believe it does. I don't think there's anything licensed from DJI in here because of the price. You'll see the price, it's pretty low. So you get this drone, but unlike the Tello, you also get this controller. Here, put that so you can see my face. So you get the drone, you get the controller, which is pretty sweet. Look at how thin it is. And you actually get a hard case to carry it around. You don't have to go buy your own separate hard case for this. It all comes together. Has 13 minutes of flight time, has gesture mode, even has a follow me that works. I actually tried it just about 5 minutes ago and I was surprised. The follow me actually works on this thing indoors. So I'm sure it works outdoors too. Has those flight modes like the Tello has, whereas you can fly away like a droney. Also has orbit me mode. Wherever you're standing, you hit a button and it will just orbit you. But if you're wondering how close this is to a Tello, watch when I show you the app. I'm going to show you the app that comes with this. And just the way the app starts up and some of the features in the app kind of looks like the Tello app. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take this drone and I'm going to fly it around the house so you can see what the camera looks like. I'll show you the app as well as I'm flying. And then I'm going to show you an unboxing because I want to show you the case and all the other goodies you get with this. It's pretty cool. And then I'll take it outside and fly it outside and try the other features. So here we go. All right, I got my drone here. I got my phone here. I'm going to start the app. Now watch when the app starts. Doesn't that look like the Tello? On the bottom of the app, you'll see there's a little, let me see, I'll get my finger in here. Can you see it? Right there, I'm pointing at it. That up arrow, you hit that, and then you go up here on the joystick and you hit that little red up. Let's see if I can get it right there. That little red thing right there. So here we go. And it takes off. And there we are up in the air. I'll bring it up higher. It's going to stay very stable because it has an optical flow sensor on the bottom. So watch this. If I put my hand underneath, I'll mess it up. See? So let's see. Bring it down to see my head. Got my GoPro hat on. So there's my head. Now I'm going to go into follow me mode. So now on the top right, there's a little picture of a man walking, and then I draw a picture around my head, and it should have my head. Wherever it sees that goofy head, it's gonna move. So it's gonna turn, follow me around. No, it's following me. I'm not doing anything. And it's following me that way. It's pretty close to the wall. Now my drone's right there. I can't take it outside right now, but on my phone, right here on the left, there's a little picture of the drone. So I click it, and look at that. On the left, it says normal flight mode. Next is long distance. Oops, I didn't want to do that. Long distance flying mode, and then one button 360. Those ones you'd have to do outdoors. And I'll show you the gesture mode. The gesture is right over here on the left, 2 fingers up, looks like bunny ears. So I clicked on the bunny ears and just put my hand up in the picture and watch what happens. And I'll put my hand down, make a goofy smile. There's also a little finger on the screen here. So if I draw something, or I just drew a circle, and there it does the circle. It's one of those draw things. So if I drew a straight line forward backwards, let's see what it does. And there it goes backwards. So if I want it to come at me, I'll go forward and angle. Here it comes. At me, forward and angle. There we go. So now I'll show you the controller. So I'll just land it. There we go. And now a super quick unboxing of this here drone. It comes in a really nice hard case. Check that out. It's not too bad. A little handle back here. Open it up and here's everything you get inside. So I have the drone. I'll look at that first. The drone is pretty much a copy of a Tello, except it's a little thicker this way. But look at the design. Doesn't that look like a Tello body? Has the same brush motors, about the same size props. On the top you have nothing except the power button. On the front you have the 1080p camera, and it is fixed just like a Tello, so it looks straight ahead. There is no spot on here to put a micro SD card. There is an optical flow sensor on the bottom for positioning. And if you go to the back, battery slides out from the back, and it's a 3.7 volt 1000 milliamp battery. And guess what? You get 2 of them with this kit. Now unlike the Tello, this actually comes with a controller, and you can see it's very different. Look at how skinny it is. You will have to put batteries in the back here, and it takes 1, 2, 3, 4 AAA batteries, not included. 2 buttons on the top. All your other buttons are here for trim controls, and you can see right here they're all self-identified. So you have headless mode and your takeoff, land, and all that other good stuff. Camera, photo. Look at the joysticks. Those are pretty cool. They just slide. They're like little sliding joysticks. So they're missing the actual joysticks, which would come up higher, but it's the same idea. You just fit your thumbs on them and you slide it forward, backward, side to side, or any angle you want. Let's see what else you get. If I go up here to the mesh side, I have my extra battery right here, which is good, so you get twice the flight time. First thing you get is a USB charger for the battery. Next you get 4 prop guards so you can fly your drone indoors. Next you get 4 spare props and a prop removal tool. Finally you get the instructions for the drone and the instructions for the app. Here's the drone, batteries in the drone. Let's plop it down on our little scale. What do we have? This is a 1080p camera and it comes in at 75 grams, extremely light. Now just for the fun of it, I put the prop guards on, and below me I have a Tello right here. Now I'm going to put the Tello here and I'm going to plop this down on top, and let's see if one dwarfs the other. Not really. They're about the same size. Look, I'll put them side by side. Yeah, pretty much the same drone in many aspects. Even the way the prop guards go on this, it's the same as the Tello. It's very similar. Almost makes you think it's the same company in many regards. So that's what the controller looks like right there. And my drone is all the way down there on the table. Has a little reset button on the controller that I thought was pretty cool. It's right here on the right. If you press this, I'll just get up to my camera. If you press this, it resets the gyro, so you can keep your drone pretty balanced. Now to take off with this controller is pretty simple. I'm going to bring it up close to my little GoPro. You press this button, and then prop start, and then this one to go up. And there you go. So we're flying. And there we be. It's very, very stable. Say you're flying and you go, I want to put it in selfie mode. You hit this button here and it will spin around and look at you in the picture. So there you go. And if I want to flip it the other way, there we go. Just trying this drone outdoors here. Yes, you can see we still have snow. Play with some of the speeds. That's a little bit faster, so let's go this way. There we go. Bringing it back to me. This is the second speed. You can see it's pretty fast. Bring it back over here. Let's go third speed here. I'll go super fast. Oh, wrong button. Turn that around. 3 speed. There we go. Full speed. Here we go. How's that? That's not bad. I'll bring it back. It's kind of windy out here, breezy in the backyard. You can see the trees moving a little bit. I'll take it up in the wind. How's that? Well, it's doing quite well actually. Staying pretty steady. Let's bring it back down. It's got nice slow movement, so you're not going to do anything abrupt and smash into stuff, which is good. Let's put back in normal speed. And if you're wondering what the drone looks like without prop guards, well, there it is right there. Looks pretty small without the prop guards on. Look at how tiny that looks. I've got no prop guards on it, nothing. I've got no controller, just use my phone here. Follow it along here as I go back through the winter backyard of my house. And if I want to bring it forward, there we go. It's got a pretty long flight time, you know, for such a small little drone, which is pretty good. All right, I'm going to bring it for a landing down here in the snow. I'll hit my little landing button. And there it goes. Well, it looks like a Tello, flies like a Tello, smells like a Tello. Even the app looks like a Tello app, but it's not a Tello. The only thing it's missing, I think, to make it a true Tello is the DJI flight controller inside and the little sensors that the Tello has on the bottom. But this does have a sensor on the bottom and it seems to work. The really good thing about this drone, in comparison with the Tello, is this. Well, you get the drone, you get the prop guards, and you get a pretty nifty controller, and you get a spare battery, and you get a hard shell case to carry everything in. You know, that's, honestly, what can I say? It's like the competition is heating up with this compared to the Tello for the price. I didn't try out 2 features on it I wanted to try out, but I couldn't get a chance to try them because I have too many trees in my backyard and too many houses. So there's one feature where you can just click on a button and it does a droney. It flies away from you to capture video flying away and then coming back. And there's another feature where it does a 360 orbit around you. And I didn't get a chance to try out any of those because I would just smashed into everything here and that would have been a totally different video. But I'm sure since we saw the way it flies, it kind of probably works just like the Tello. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to put links below to where you can find this drone. If there's coupons, they'll be there at a discount. And yeah, check it out. It's pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and there'll be more reviews coming up.